I am Azad Ali, and today I have with me Professor Konstantinos Syriopoulos, a distinguished scholar and practitioner in the field of finance at the College of Business Zayed University, Abu Dhabi, where he has made significant contributions since joining the university in January 2015. Holding the roles of acting dean, associate dean, department chair, and discipline leader in finance and economics, his leadership extends across various administrative and academic dimensions. Dr. Kostas holds a Bachelor of Science in Economics from the University of Piraeus, Greece, and a master's and doctoral degree in mathematical economics and econometrics from the University of Aix-Marseille, France. Known for his expertise in financial econometrics, Dr. Kostas has made significant contributions to the fields of market finance, risk analysis, and banking regulation. His research emphasizes time series analysis and the application of mathematical economics to solve complex financial problems. Furthermore, his work has been recognized with an UNBAR citation of excellence, and he received a Best Paper Prize from the Klut Institute for Academic Research. Dr. Kostas is also the co-editor of the Journal of Economic Asymmetries and associate editor of the International Journal of Finance and Economics. Welcome, Dr. Kostas.
Thank you. Thank you, Azad, for the opportunity and to give me to talk with you.
Much appreciated. Dr. Kostas, bearing in mind the professional outcomes of Zayed University's Master of Science in Finance program and how graduate students can acquire skills for a successful career in this domain, I have a few questions for you. Firstly, what are the core components of the Master of Science in Finance curriculum, and how are they interlinked to provide a comprehensive understanding of finance?
Thank you very much for the question. This is a very important question for all master's programs, I believe. Here in Zayed University, in this particular Masters of Finance, we aim to provide our students with critical skills and quantitative methods. Because in fact, when somebody is working in the finance industry, banks, regulators, hedge funds, etc., what is more important is to have a critical thinking about the markets and what happens every day, at the same time to be able to provide quantitative reasoning and evidence. That is, for example, forecasting methods, artificial intelligence as well, and any analysis regarding firms and markets as a whole. So what we do in our program, we offer the students the basics, for example, corporate finance, quantitative methods like statistics, econometrics, etc., and several specific, specific or focused items like banking and risk management, which is very, very important and high demanded now from the industry. Regulation, which is also important for any market, not only for the banks, and also we give them the opportunity to learn about the whole economic system. If we don't know exactly the mechanisms, the economic mechanisms of the markets, then it will be very difficult to distinguish what differs or diverges or converges in the financial system. So economics is the ground domain, is the science. Finance is in the heart of that science corpus, and business and market is a very good application of this process. Also, we aim to attract students from other disciplines, for example, electrical engineers, computer science, etc., because they can combine the knowledge we provide them in finance and financial markets in general in order to apply their own tools, such as artificial intelligence, for example, um, in the market and enhance their career prospects. Over to you.
Thank you. How does the program's emphasis on both international financial markets and Islamic finance provide graduates with a competitive edge in the global financial sector?
Thank you for the question. It is a very critical question, especially for our students. We also offer our students a course of Islamic finance, Islamic banking and finance. This is very important because not only here in Middle East and other Arabic countries, but also in Western economies like in Europe, Canada, UK, recently, last years even in Greece, all banking markets have offered now Islamic products. Islamic products, Islamic financial products are very important because they could be used in portfolios for risk management purposes and diversification purposes. We have a great empirical evidence from scholars in both Islamic and conventional financial markets that Islamic products can help the portfolio to diversify its risks, especially during turbulent periods like financial crisis or other. So we offer this opportunity to our students, and we combine the conventional and the non-conventional Islamic finance in our course. For instance, basic questions like, is there any time value of money in Islamic finance? The answer is a little bit difficult to find. It depends on the interpretation. Or can we follow the same regulation rules as in a conventional banking system? Also there, the question is a little bit tricky because yes, we can follow, but at the same time, we should be Sharia compliant. How all these issues are resolved? We offer such discussions to our students, and I know that they are very much like, because we offer them the critical value of this discussion. We don't focus on that or the other system, but we give them the opportunity to increase their critical thinking and choose what is best under which conditions. Over to you.
Thank you. Dr. Kostas, what are some of the unique learning outcomes that set this master's degree program apart from other similar finance programs offered in the region?
Yes, thank you for the question. I have to be fair. All master's programs in finance nowadays, they follow a common structure because we know exactly what finance industry is, what finance market is, what are the needs of these markets, and what are the skills that our professionals should have. For instance, if a student should follow the certification of financial analysts such as CFA, for example, he or she will see that all courses are similar and the same. For example, in quantitative methods, which is one of the most important, in financial analysis and ratio analysis, which is very important also, and ethics and regulation as well. So we are obliged, we also at Zayed University, to follow the same program. However, we can differentiate ourselves from other universities and other master's programs offered in UAE and in the region in general by saying that we have some specific course, for example, Islamic finance, which is very, very important. Second, we have Bloomberg Lab, and then our students are trained there. Third, we offer some very specific programs and technical analysis using Bloomberg. And then our students, we believe that are more skilled, they acquire more skills to demonstrate in the job market. Over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Kostas. How does AI applications in finance influencing job creation and displacement? Can you discuss the effect of technology-driven productivity on the finance sector and its relation to employment trends?
Thank you for your question. Yes, this is our era, artificial intelligence, how to apply, what are the obstacles or the ethics, how should learn about using artificial intelligence tools in any discipline, in particular in finance. We know that artificial intelligence now in finance is used by banks, by brokers, hedge funds, and everybody, even students. I believe that the market will be extended. I believe that more people in finance or with knowledge and skills in finance and financial markets will be demanded. I can give you an example. I have the opportunity to know one particular company, a multinational company from Europe, but also in Dubai since 2000. Now this company offers software solutions for banks, Islamic and conventional banking systems. The company is now transferring the whole product into artificial intelligence context. And then I was asked by one of the managers here in Dubai how to perform this transition. The problem they have is they have very competent software engineers and programmers, but they cannot communicate with the finance people in order to feed their artificial intelligence systems with the required data. So this connection, the relationship between the technician in computer science and the expert in finance market is not very easy, is not given. I believe that for our students, we give the opportunity because personally me, because my PhD also in mathematics in France was based on artificial intelligence and fuzzy set theory. So we give them in many courses how to build the bridge between the two. Over to you, Marcel.
Thank you, Dr. Kostas. Considering the amplification of intelligence through AI in the financial industry, how does this lead to what might be seen as an adverse depreciation of knowledge? And what is the interaction between AI and the economic concept of no diminishing returns?
Thank you for the question. This is a little bit theoretical. This is much more practical. So from a theoretical point of view, in order to have advanced artificial intelligence solutions in any business, we need, of course, the power of mathematics and computational intelligence. Suppose that this is given because it is not in our purpose in this Masters of Finance, Zayed University, to give that solutions and expertise. The second, very important, is that what we need to do in our markets now is not simply using artificial intelligence models, for example, for forecasting futures prices in the stock market, because this is a small part in any research division, in any bank, etc. The problem is how to integrate the whole system. We call this business intelligence. Business intelligence is all the methods, process, project management rules that are applied in order to help the decision maker for better decisions in the industry. So now we have to combine the business model applied in any bank or any other firm with artificial intelligence. And what is the required data? The big data that we have access and are cheap now, the fact that we can manipulate all this data using artificial intelligence tools, and then we can help our decision-making process. So your very important question is now how to apply how to use, not to apply only, how to use artificial intelligence tools in a business environment as a whole in order to increase the opportunities for better decision making. Over to you.
Thank you. Dr. Costas, last but not the least, what strategies should financial regulatory bodies implement to monitor and regulate AI applications in finance, ensuring they protect both investors and societal interests as well?
Thank you for the question. This is an important question because after all, we have the regulators and markets need to protect, first of all, the users, the consumers, the investors. And this is very difficult. First, we cannot differentiate between different countries or different national regulations. We have to integrate in international context because our economies now are globalized, the same our markets. So this is the risk, but the opportunity. The risk because if one system fails because of globalization, then by a domino effect, all other markets will fail as well. The opportunity, how to communicate all the regulatory bodies from all national economies, and we have IOSCO for that. IOSCO is the Organization of All Capital Market Securities, how to regulate them in a common path. For example, how to use artificial intelligence techniques and tools and how to judge or assess the outcome in order to be on the benefits of the investors. So this is a big task. This is very difficult, and I don't believe that it is a process, there is one size fits all. It is an ongoing process. We have to check slowly what the products of artificial intelligence used in business, in finance business are, and how to protect slowly our consumers and investors. So it is not very easy to answer or to say that this is the best regulation or that is the best regulation. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Costas, for your time and valuable information. Admission to Zayed University's Master of Science in Finance is now open. For more information, please visit the Graduate Studies website at www.zu.ac.ae or contact the College of Business at 971-599-3605. Thank you very much.